so we got our intake plenum. I'm getting ready to install that here. I'm going to check our O-rings first, make sure our insulator's back on top of the driver's side, coil sets on this side here. Okay, and like we went through before, these, as you start to screw them out, you know, don't leave them like this. They're going to get in the way as you're putting it together. Pull it up, give it a couple twists. It'll stay in there so they're not hanging down. This way they don't drag and grab an O-ring on the way in. So we're going to go in, get it back on that bracket on that side. Okay, tighten these down the middle here. Put our brackets back on. Here we go. Okay, torque spec, we're at 6 foot-pounds. You can use regular hand tools. You just have to be the judge on how tight. Remember, going into plastic, really. Okay, so now we're going to do our 10s. Got the bracket. Don't drop the bolt like I did. Now we got our connector here. Simple, goes together. Push, safety lock. This is the hold down for it right here. Just get it right on there. Just tab. Okay. Keep those very consistent. Trans vent hose. Okay, now we got our turbocharger feed line. It's a 9/16 on this side. Goes straight to the top. Okay, this is from our catch can setup. We routed this line earlier. Goes under here, right around there, back that way. Going to attach it to our air filter first. Tighten it, then install onto here. Tighten the breather hose fitting for the air filter. And all you need to do is push it inside here. Okay, nothing on the inside so nothing can come loose, get sucked into the turbocharger. Pre-made hole. We're going to get this down in here. You'll notice our hose is wrapped down and around, so orientate this so the hose fit the best way. There we go, got our air filter on. This car has an aftermarket inner fender liner, so we had to orientate it a little bit. But you can make that call, very simple. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and install some of the factory wire harness going here and bracket. Okay, we got our bracket we took off earlier. Very simple, goes on there. Two 10 millimeters on the bottom.